Every positive value has its price in negative terms. The genius of Einstein leads to Hiroshima. Good morning everyone, myself Kritika Thakur of Standard 9A, and today I stand over here to speak a few words on Hiroshima Day. Hiroshima Day is the day of remembrance of the world's first atomic bombing by US on the city of Hiroshima in Japan on 6 August 1945. It was decided by the President of USA to use nuclear weapon in the war against Japan. More than 2 lakh people died and many more were injured. The majority of Japanese infrastructure was damaged, which ultimately affected the Japanese economy. After 3 days, another bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki. The World War II ended after the atomic bombing, but the future generation had to suffer because of the radiation. It's not a day of celebration. It's a day which is remembered for killing thousands to save thousands. War is never good. It causes loss on both the sides. Let's use Hiroshima Day as an opportunity to create awareness about the threat of nuclear weapons and spread the message of peace and respect. Thank you.
71 years ago, on a bright cloudless morning, death fell from the sky and the world was changed. A flash of light and a wall of fire destroyed a city and demonstrated that mankind possessed the means to destroy itself. Why do we have come to this place? To Hiroshima. We have come to ponder a terrible force unleashed in not so distant past. We come to mourn the dead, including 100,000 Japanese men, women, and children. Thousands of Koreans, a dozen of Americans held prisoner. We may not be able to eliminate man's capacity to do evil, so nation and the alliances that we formed must possess the means to defend ourselves. But among those nations, like my own, that holds nuclear stockpiles, we must have the courage to escape the logic of fear and pursue a world without them. We must change the mindset of war itself to prevent conflict through diplomacy and strive to end conflict after they have begun. Thank you. Next event upcoming is fancy dress competition.
Konnichiwa. Living in Japan is easy, exciting and adventurous. I am very happy today. Akira Mitara Sokori Sihai Suryudayo.
Every positive value has its price in negative terms, and the genius of Einstein leads to Hiroshima.
Dropping those atomic bombs on Hiroshima was war crime.
The energy of J.A. Arabs tomorrow I do not care what reason you have. I will not forgive those who hurt my friends.
Every positive value has its price in negative terms. The genius Einstein leads to Hiroshima.
Now, the results of slogan writing poster making competition and drawing making competitions are displayed. Peace is my religion, all we need is love.
War wins land, peace wins people.
Peace is cheaper. Wars is costly.
Anything war can do, peace can do better.
For more peaceful day, war is not the way.
War is destruction, peace is construction.
Peace is angel, war is ghost.
Good morning to all. This is Payal Kumari from class 9B and I am the host of today's talk show on World Hiroshima Day. This day is a reminder of the atomic bomb attack on Hiroshima in Japan by United States in 1945. It is celebrated every year on 6th August to promote peace politics against the war. With me, I have Ashish and Shruti here, who are also going to be a part of this talk show. So, my first question is to you, Ashish. Tell me, what's your thoughts and views on celebrating such a day which killed so many people to promote world peace?
2 days such as these, no matter how dreadful or mournful, it reminds us of our mistakes. It reminds us of the consequences of our actions. This day reminds us of the loss of millions of souls, and it will always be a reminder of what not to do in order to maintain peaceful relations with other nations.
Well said, Ashish. Now, Shruti, you tell me, what's your opinion? As we all know that America has always been the greatest military power and also have been reason for the end of both the wars. So, don't you think that it would have resolved the issue peacefully rather than resorting to destructive means?
Sometimes, in some points, peaceful methods cannot be resorted to, as America was not directly involved in war and was trying to stop Hitler's in world domination. However, when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, it dragged the neutral nation into war. The death of innocents in this event fueled the prevalent anger and led to the bombing of Hiroshima.
I completely agree with your opinion, Shruti. This was the end of our today's talk show. Hope you all like it. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mimansha Singh of class 8C. Today I am here to represent a presentation on Hiroshima Day. An atomic bomb called Little Boy was dropped on Hiroshima on 6th August 1945. More than half of the buildings in the city were destroyed. It was estimated that about 70,000 people were killed instantly. And by 1946, about 140,000 had died due to injuries and radiation. There were 4 targets for the atomic bomb. First, Kyoto, second, Hiroshima, third, Kokura, and fourth, Niigata. Kyoto and Hiroshima were the 2 primary targets. There were many effects of atomic bombing, like death and injury were caused by blast, heat, and direct radiations. Survivors began suffering from thyroid, breast, lung, and other cancers at higher than normal rates. The uranium bomb detonated over Hiroshima on 6th August 1945 and had an explosive yield equal to 15,000 tons of TNT. Thank you.